welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kane. Today I'm back again with a brand new video. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how I make my thumbnails. Now, for those of you who don't know, I said in for those of you who don't know, I said this in my last two videos, but I'm going to say it again in this video. Yes, I am wearing the exact same thing because I'm filming all three of these videos at once because I need to get some videos out to you guys. So yeah, that's a disclaimer. Now, if you're ready to see how I made my thumbnail, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell, get notified every single time I post, so you don't miss a single video. And let's get straight into today's video. Okay, you guys, I'm going to go ahead and let voiceover Ella, I was gonna say my name, guys. I don't know what's wrong with me. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna go ahead and let voiceover Ella tell you guys how I did it and everything, and I'll see you guys at the end of the video. But make sure you like, comment, subscribe. I know I said it already. Make sure you share as well, guys. Like, comment, subscribe, share. Like, comment, subscribe, and share, and hit that bell. I'm so serious, you guys. Okay. Hey guys, voiceover Ella here. Okay, so guys, you want to go to Google and you want to go to VistaCreate.com. If you don't have an account, like I said in my previous video, go ahead and make you one. I don't remember when I created my account. I don't remember if it allowed you to do that. But yeah, so you want to go to YouTube thumbnail. Like as you can see, I scroll down, mine's right there. If you cannot find it, then it's like as you've seen, there's a search bar. You go ahead and type in YouTube thumbnail, and that should be the first thing that pops up. So you click that, and this is what comes up. So you want to select your photos that you've taken, and you want to put them onto the frame. Also, too, you want to select YouTube thumbnail because that's going to be the right size when you take it to YouTube. It's not too big, it's not too small, it's the perfect size. YouTube is going to accept the size, and it's not going to be crazy. So another thing, like with VistaCreate, I don't know if it's just my computer, I don't know if it's my Wi-Fi, I don't know if it's VistaCreate, but when I click on my photos, it takes about a good minute or two for it to load up for me to select my next photo that's in my file on my computer. So yeah, just a little warning or whatever, or like a heads up. It's not gonna take like a long time, but it's gonna take a little minute for you. You don't have to be sitting. You're gonna be sitting there waiting to get your next picture. So yeah. Your dreams come true, and I wonder if you know what you mean, what you mean. Okay guys, now that you have arranged your pictures the way you want to and you like the base of your thumbnail and everything is okay, now we're going to move on to text, like our fonts and stuff. So we're going to go over here to the left of the screen and we're going to click on the T that says text, and you can have like your own fonts if you already have VistaCreate, but I don't have the paid version again. So I'm going to hit add text, and I'm going to just basically play around with the fonts until I find the one that I like and the colors and stuff. You're going to see how I did that. I'm going to leave it in, once I pick the colors and the fonts, I believe I'm going to give you do it in real time. But yeah. Find your dream, and I wonder. Come true, and I wonder if you know what you mean, what you mean, and I wonder if you know what you mean, what you mean. Find your dream, and I wonder.
dreams come true, and I wonder if you know what it means, what it means, and I wonder if you know what it means, what it means. Find your dream, and I wonder, 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 wonder. Come true, and I wonder if you know what it means, what it means, and I wonder if you know what it means, what it means. Find your dream, and I wonder, 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 wonder. Dreams come true, and I wonder if you know what it means, what it means, and I wonder if you know what it means, what it means. Find your dream, and I wonder, 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 wonder. Come true, and I wonder if you know what it means, what it means, and I wonder if you know what it means, what it means. Find your dream, and I wonder, 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 wonder.
Okay guys, now that you have finished your thumbnail and everything looks cute, if you like your thumbnail, you can go ahead and export it onto your computer and go ahead and publish your thumbnail. But I didn't. I didn't like the third picture. The third picture to me just didn't look right. I don't know. I guess it was because it was the original picture versus the other ones that I edited. If you want to know how I edit my photos, go ahead and check out my last video on Pixar, and that's how I edited my photos. So basically, I went on Pixar and I just redid the third one. I still use the exact same picture, I believe. And I just changed the way it looked because it did not look cute to me at all. So you guys are about to see that in a few minutes, just in case you're wondering what happened. And I also changed the font of my thumbnail as well. So you guys I saved this one, as you see. I saved this particular thumbnail, but I also did another one. There you go. I'm about to click on the photo I edited. And yeah, also so you guys did not see this in the last video because again I did it here and I didn't record that, and the last video is already edited, it's already published, and it should be posted. So yeah. Yeah, here we are about to put it and replace it, and I'm about to change everything, so don't be mad at me. But again, I don't know which one I'm gonna do. I saved both. Again, I know I said it, but yeah.
Dreams come true, and I wonder.
Okay, guys, now you see this is the second thumbnail that I made. Which one do you guys like better? Comment down below. I feel like now I like the first one better just because the third one, it don't, like my head is not matched with all of the other ones. So I don't know. You guys will see my final answer as you click the video for the thumbnail. You'll see this one that I chose. So yeah. Alright guys, and that's how you make your thumbnail. If you made it this far into the video, I appreciate you guys so much. And until the next video, I love you guys already, and bye.